name two congruent triangles in the accompanying figure by writing symbolic congruence. So here we have these two triangles, meaning this triangle here and this triangle there. So those two triangles are congruent, and congruent means identical. How do we know? How are these two triangles congruent, identical? That's what congruent means. Well, remember, every three-letter combination except for AAA and the bad word, ASS, all the other three-letter combos can prove congruence. Congruence, all three-letter combos except, sorry I'm being kind of scribbly here, except all three-letter combos except AAA and the bad word. All other ones prove that two triangles are identical. So what do we have here? We have this and this. That's a side and a side. This is an angle and an angle. They both have a 90-degree angle. And they both share this side in the middle. It's the same side for both of them. It's the same as itself. So that side, angle, side. See? Side, angle, side. So by side, angle, side. And that's a three-letter combo that's not AAA or the bad word. By that, they are congruent. So we know by side, angle, side that those two triangles are fully identical in every way. So that means triangle EFH, let's go back and see it. EFH, so from E to F to H, like this. That's going to be congruent to, now can I just write it in any order I want? Can I just go G, F, H like that? No, you have to make sure things match up correctly. That will not be right. How do you know what order? Well, do you see how this angle right here must be the same as this angle right there? They must go together. They're the one next to the 90. They got to be the same. So we've got to go in an order that reflects that. So G, well, let's start here. E, they did EFH, so E, F, H in that order. I've got to go, right, so they did this one in the middle. Then I got to go G, H, F, putting this one in the middle. G, H, F. Do you see that? G, H, F. This angle must match this angle. So it's got to be in that exact order. That's the same, that's how you say it. So there's more to it than just saying the two triangles are identical. They're identical in a certain order. And the order matters. This angle and this angle have to match up. So when I go E and then second go to F and third go here, I've got to likewise go first here, second here, third here. That way the 2 matches the 2, you see. They got to be in that order. That's the way in which they match up. Determine the corresponding congruent sides. So EF, over here, EF, is congruent to which side? Well, this one, HG or GH. It doesn't matter what order. For a side, it doesn't matter which way you say a side. EH, so where's EH? Down here has got to be the same as this one up here, FG. Right? And FH, this one in the center, it's got to be the same as himself. FH. Just like that. All right, now it says determine the corresponding angles. So angle E in the left triangle is the same as angle G, isn't it? And now, let me do the next one here. It's going to be a little tricky. So they're saying angle EFH, that's an angle, go from E to F to H. That's this angle here, EFH. That's the same as GH, right? The 2 and the 2. GHF. GHF. those are the same angle. Right? This angle here and this angle here, they're both angle 2. They got to match up. They're clearly equal. And then lastly, running out of space and markings here. FHE, so FHE, well, that's the 90. That's got to be the same as GFH. That's the 90. GFH. Or you could say HFG. And on this one, or you could say FHG. With an angle, it just matters who's in the middle. When you make a triangle statement, see, this was a triangle statement. Everything matters. You're being very specific about every piece of that triangle. But when you make two equal angle statements, you could do it either order. It just matters which one's in the middle. F is in the middle. H is in the middle on that one is all that matters for an angle statement. Part B. The triangles are congruent by, we already said that, right? Side, angle, side, right there. Side, angle, side. That's why they're congruent. So there we go. So when we make congruent statements of triangles, everything matters. When we say angles, you can say it two different ways. All that matters is what's in the middle.